Hey, girl. Seem like you dropped off the face of the earth. Where you been? Oh, I miss you. I miss you so much. Ah! Oh my gosh, girl, you're still so skinny. Oh, yeah. Come up here and show me your house. Oh my gosh, you're so lovely. Ah, Paris. Oh, Paris, oh, your house is so lovely. Oh my gosh, can I stay over tonight? Oh my gosh, Paris. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a fabulous room, Paris. Keep talking to me. Wow, we're so far apart. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Show me some more of your house, Paris. It's freaking huge. Oh, this is your kitchen. I didn't know you can cook. Oh. Look, yeah, Paris, this is a stove. Yeah, and it works. Oh, look what time it is, Paris. I don't know. Show me some more of this house and talk to me. Why are you in all black? Ooh, what is that? Ugh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I see now. Oh, yeah, that's great. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's nice too. Oh, a lot of Paris. Oh, oh yeah, more Paris. Yeah, more Paris. Yeah, Paris. Wow. Yeah, Paris. Paris. Wow. Yeah. Okay, Paris, let's move on. Wow, look at all these clothes. Can you donate to me? I think in your size. Oh yeah, I can truly fit this. I'm so your size. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. I'm loving this, Paris. I'm freaking loving this. I want to move in with you. Can I be your new BFF? Please,